Picture this. You're up late at night, scouring Google, typing in best affiliate programs. You're jumping from one blog list to another, you're clicking broken links, you're signing up to offers that pay pennies, hours pass, you feel drained, and at the end of the day, you've maybe found one or two half decent programs. That's the grind most entrepreneurs face when they try to build affiliate income. And that grind kills momentum, it kills excitement, it leaves you wondering if affiliate marketing is even worth it. One of my clients lived in that cycle. They knew recurring affiliate revenue was the key to creating freedom. But the manual search process was soul crushing. They'd spend days hunting only to come up empty. Or worse, promoting $10 offers that never moved the needle. Inside, they felt frustrated, they felt stuck. They were on the verge of giving up. And the worst part, they knew other people were making fortunes with affiliate marketing, which made the failure sting even more. That's when I stepped in as their guide. I told them, you don't have a marketing problem, you have a research problem. The real gold wasn't in finding random programs, it was in building a system that could uncover them automatically. That's when I introduced them to what I call the web fortune filter system. Here's the plan I laid out. My bot would scan 50,000 websites every single day, looking for keywords that signal an affiliate program. When it found one, it didn't just stop there. It pulled the affiliate sign-up link. It checked whether it was a one-time payout, a recurring commission, or pay-per-lead. And then it dug into the pricing page. Why the pricing page? Because 50% of $5,000 is a whole lot better than 50% of 10. My bot logged all of this into a private database, and it ranked opportunities by payout potential. Suddenly, instead of wasting hours guessing, they had a treasure map. They could type in a keyword, see every relevant affiliate program, and know instantly whether it was worth their time. They had the data to prioritize high-ticket recurring offers, not low-ticket noise. The results were game-changing. They went from zero clarity to becoming an affiliate for over 10,000 products. They stacked income streams across industries. That's more than 10,000 doors that could open into recurring, predictable revenue. And because the system did all the heavy lifting, they no longer felt overwhelmed. They felt empowered. They felt confident. They felt future proof. Now, imagine the stakes if they hadn't made this move. They'd still be stuck at their desk at midnight, clicking broken links, burning time, promoting $10 offers while their competition scooped up $5,000 commissions. They'd be left behind while others scaled. But because they leveraged automation, they're now in a position of abundance with a database of opportunities at their fingertips. That's the power of having the right system. And if you're serious about scaling income streams, maybe it's time you got your own web fortune filter system working for you.